There's always a default with it, is that if you work hard, most likely you're going to be good.
My name is Jagoda, which means blueberry. I worked before in a big city in Warsaw in an office.
I just was really struck first by the physical beauty, but also the way the whole thing had really been designed to convey a very, dignified sense of this is your town, this is your community. So it's a real calming environment.
We understand he's a dog, but he's like a canine, grandchild.